This is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to begin, open whatever search engine or browser you'd prefer and input the Fortnite APK query. Or actually, you know what? Let me quickly try to see if the app gallery actually has the Fortnite, because perhaps it can? Purely theoretically, but not sure. Yep. So anyway, back to what I was doing. So input the Fortnite APK query just like that. Then amongst the search results, look for the epicgames.com or fortnite.com websites. Just make sure to go for the official website so you will not accidentally download any malware or viruses on your phone. I'll go with Epic Games Store. Official web page, sorry. Then confirm the download of the file that it will suggest, then launch the file. Allow Opera to install unknown apps and then install the Epic Games Store app. Then once it is installed, you gotta launch it. In here, you will need to open the Fortnite game page and then tap at the install button over there and wait for the game files to be downloaded first, which might take about a minute or two, depending on how fast is your Wi-Fi connection. So let's simply wait for now. So as you can see, once the Fortnite game files were downloaded and the game itself is ready to be installed, the system will once again ask that we grant the install from external sources permission, this time to the Epic Games Store. So do exactly that, then confirm the Fortnite installation, and once it gets finished, open the game and let it download all the remaining updates, resource packages, whatever that is, which going to take quite a lot of time, since the size of the update that is about to be downloaded is, if I'm not mistaken, 6 gigabytes or something in the vicinity. So allow it to finalize, download everything that it needs to, and after you will wait it out, and after the process will be finished, you will be finally able to start playing the Fortnite game. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.